Can one একটা ছিল ঠিক আছে দেখে নেবেন একটুখানি read petition along with connected applications disclosed of. Yes.
But he has communicated the bank account details, so which we have got now. We will not take necessary steps for the examination. So essentially that was the reason. So your lordship can either keep it some other day, by the time we'll get the handwriting done.
And
Lordship, the case was not about the handwriting. I approached the court because of the FIR number 243/23. There was a change of Seizure list, which RTI was done to the Howrah Port inspector, which is there in front of you, Lordship. Now, if you see just after that, there are two Seizure lists of a same FIR number. The first was applied on 12/23/2023. Second was on 12/24/2024. Now, Lordship, the first question is how can a certified copy of the same FIR, when taken for the second time for applying the writ petition, have a different Seizure list? That was the first question concern. Secondly, this case was about a 41A issue, wherein I was arrested without a 41A. I was arrested after 87 days. The case was registered dated 1st November 2023. I was intimated about this case around December, and I was arrested from my sister's house in Salt Lake on 23rd January after 87 days. So 41A was issued. Neither I was arrested immediately. So the question of 41B subsection 2 in Anish Kumar judgment doesn't apply here, and the 41A was never issued to me. So these were the two submissions which I made on the last day.
1 minute. The state was directed to file a report regarding this arrest without 41A and the changes made in the Seizure list and the details of the civic volunteers. Details possibly was produced on the last date. Was it? No.
That was possibly handed over to the officers of
Yes.
civic volunteers. That has come true. So now, as far
What about the other two?
Yes, sir. I'm handing over to Lordship. So as far as this is the report which your Lordship called for, and I have also annexed the 41A notice. I specifically stated that this was specifically not accepted. The details were brought in, your Lordship.
Not accepted.
Lordship in concern.
1 minute. 41A notice, where is it?
Thereafter, he moved an application for anticipatory bail, which was rejected by the magistrate.
The date of the complaint is
1st November 2023.
23.
Lordship, the 41A was never serviced to me. It is serviced through a local police station because I stay in Kolkata district and this is in Howrah. In connection, I will show you
1 minute.
Sure, Lordship.
The 41A notice dated 8th of November 23, how was it served upon the petitioner or at least sought to be served? There is a noting at the bottom which mentions that the petitioner refused to accept the notice.
But what happened was, on this date, he had actually gone again to that lady's house.
To the lady's house.
There, the police came, they found him there, they served him, attempted to serve him. Attempted to serve him notice under section 41.
Why would it?
1 minute, please do not.
Please go ahead.
And that's why your Lordship will find that there is also a corresponding GD entry made.
No, GD entry is separate.
Yes.
This is not enough proof of service or at least tendering of the notice upon him.
But today, if I refuse it, what can I do? And that is why, if your Lordship says that he moved an application for anticipatory bail, anticipatory bail was rejected, after which he was arrested.
That is a separate
issue.
On the ground, because today, normally what happens, today I will serve a 41A notice. And if it is less than 7 years, he has the option for if he is not going to comply with, he can approach the magistrate. Because if there is a failure on the part of the person who served with the notice under 41A, then he can comply with it. If he comes to the police station and complies with it, then everything is over. But if there is a non-compliance, he can be arrested. So, apprehending this, he moves an application for anticipatory bail.
He can always apply for anticipatory bail.
Normally, but I'll tell you.
So normally, abnormally, we don't look into all these things.
While his Otherwise, if his intention was to comply with 41A, anticipatory would not be required because he's not to be arrested. Because under 41A, it's less than 7 years, normally you will not arrest someone except for certain situations. But thereafter, when it happened that he refused it, he instead chose because he was not to comply with 41A. And that prayer was rejected.
Lordship, may I add something, please?
No, please don't.
So, but for that, and but as far as the Caesar lists are concerned, बाकी पूरा रिपोर्टটা আমাকে দিয়েছিল এটা রিপোর্টটা আপনি হ্যান্ড ওভার করলেন আমি কি করে বলবো যদি আপনি একটা রিপোর্টের কপি নিয়ে আসেন ছোট কপি I have this thing of Caesar list, but I have annexed to them. Unfortunately, I'm apparently handicapped. All the Caesar lists have been handed over to your lordship.
There are two Caesar lists. One is five Caesar lists on different dates. 4/11/23, 8/11.
First is 4/11.
8th of November, 11th of November, 7th of December, and 7th of December. All right, the time changes. So according to you, there hasn't been any change in the Caesar list. There are 5 separate individual Caesar lists.
Why should I change? What
Yes.
do I achieve?
Lordship, two submission. First, if you just see the 41A, when like this writ petition was going on in front of you, Lordship, not that one. It is no, Lordship, this one. Please show. Lordship, when this writ petition was going on, the way the 41 is when we stay in a different district, especially there are two modes. Else, one, it is served to the local PS to a different district, or else the PS comes in with the local PS to the home and serve your notice. Fine.
This is
No, this is a different case. Lordship, I said the way they serve the notice from a different district, they serve me a notice once again for a different FIR. When the writ petition is going on, they have launched one more FIR, and this is the way they serve. Either through email to the local PS they serve, or else they come to our house with the local PS and get that signed. Now, when I goes to somewhere, if they serve me a notice, Lordship, why would I refuse? It's not about I'm not talking about the bail and everything. I'm saying when I go to anyone, if they serve me a notice, I will say I will not accept it, and they will start a GD. Is it believable? Number one. Number two, if that is the case, Lordship, the second point is, if they have submitted that 8th of November was a date when the 41A was serviced, look at the date of the bail application, 19th of December, after 40 daes. So they are saying 8th November I refused. They waited till 40 days, and when my bail got rejected, then they arrested me. The non-compliance says that the police officer can arrest in the event of second time of the 41 refusal. So they were waiting for 40 days, the bail got rejected, then they arrested me after 40 days. So 87 days.
What is the change in the Caesar list that you are clear?
Lordship, supplementary affidavit, if you may go to. When I applied for the first Caesar list, Lordship, it has 5 Caesar lists, which they stated. That's a part of the RTI petition, that's fine. Page number 10, 11, the supplementary affidavit, Lordship.
Supplementary affidavit, page number 10 and 11, yes.
10, 11. If you see that, Lordship, there are 5 documents has been seized, based on which handwriting specimen was taken on 12th of February. Right now, while applying this writ petition, I applied for the updated certified copy, which anybody does. If you kindly go to page number 30, please. Page number 30.
13, yes.
30, 31, 32, and 33. This is the copy in the second certified copy. Caesar list in the second certified copy. 30, 31, 32, and 33. How come, Lordship, the Caesar list reflecting in the first certified copy?
1 minute. Page 30 is the Caesar list dated 8th of November. Do you have a copy of the supplementary? Open it.
Yes.
8th of November.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, 8th of November, Lordship.
At time of seizure.
30, 31, 32, and 33. Just look at this, Lordship. The fourth certified copies which have been exhibited of my car is not reflecting in the first certified copy. I will make you. So just allow me a moment, please. This is a photostat of the Lordship. If you look at this, it will be more clear.
No, don't hand over copies like this.
No, the reason is Lordship. I'm telling
You have annexed at page 30.
Right. 30, 31.
Page 30 is dated 8th of November 2023.
Yes. But when I applied for the first certified copy around December, this was not there. That's what I'm saying. Look, 23rd is a date.
8th of November 2023.
That is correct.
Which is missing from the other certified
আমি
copy.
যেটা বলতে চাইছি যখন 23rd ডিসেম্বরে আমি ফার্স্ট সার্টিফাইড কপি অ্যাপ্লাই করেছিলাম এইগুলো ছিল না এই পাঁচটা সার্টিফাইড কপি ছিল যেটা আমি পেয়েছি এখানে 8 what they are stating now when I apply for the updated certified copy of all records I see the certified this 5 certified copy is not there this 5 certified copy should be there with there যদি আপডেট হয় আপডেট হবে এই পাঁচটা তো থাকবে যেটা অলরেডি অ্যানেক্স করা হয়েছে এই পাঁচটা মিসিং
পাঁচটাই সার্টিফাইড কপি ছিল না
এই তো এক্স্যাক্টলি লর্ডশিপ সেটাই বলছি আমি আপনাকে এই কপিটা দিচ্ছি না হলে বুঝতে পারবেন
না আপনি কপি দেবেন না কিছু আপনি যা দেবেন আপনি এফিডেভিট করে দেবেন
অলরেডি আছে লর্ডশিপ ওখানেই আছে
তাহলে আর আলাদা করে দেবেন কিছু
11 আপনি পেজ 11 10 11টা দেখুন আর 30 to 33 দেখুন যে কপিটা আমাকে ফার্স্ট সার্টিফাইড কপি আপনার সময় সাপ্লিমেন্টারি ছিল ওই এক্স্যাক্টলি
আপনি সার্টিফাইড কপি দরখাস্ত করেছেন কোর্টে তার সাথে পুলিশের কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই
না
যে কপি কোর্টেতে আছে সেই কপি সার্টিফাইড কপি আপনাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে
এবার লর্ডশিপ সেটা বলছি না এইটা দেওয়ার পর 23rd যখন আমি কপিটা পাই পাঁচটা কপি যেটা বেসে আমার বেলটা রিজেকশন হয়েছিল আমি দেখতে পাই তাদের কিছু অ্যানোমালিজ আছে যার জন্য আমি রিট পিটিশন ফাইল
অ্যানোমালি আছে
এই পাঁচটা এই যে সার্টিফাইড কপি পাঁচটা সার্টিফাইড কপি যেটা রিফ্লেক্ট করছিল প্রথম সার্টিফাইড কপি যখন তুলেছিলাম সেকেন্ড সার্টিফাইড কপি এই পাঁচটা কপি ছিল না
কার দোষ আছে তাতে কি পুলিশের কিছু করণীয় আছে
চেঞ্জ হলে কি করে লর্ডশিপ
চেঞ্জটা কোথায়
স্যার ম্যাম আমি বলতে চাইছি 23rd যখন আমি সার্টিফাইড কপি অ্যাপ্লাই করি এই পাঁচটা সিজার লিস্ট ছিল যেটা এক্ষুনি মেনশন করা হয়েছে ঠিক আছে আপডেটেড সার্টিফাইড কপি সেকেন্ড সার্টিফাইড কপি যখন আমি অ্যাপ্লাই করি এই পাঁচটা প্লাস যদি কোনো অ্যাডিশন হয়ে যায় তখন তো এই পাঁচটা থাকবে এই পাঁচটা সরে যাবে না এই পাঁচটা মিসিং 30 to 33 যেটা দেখাচ্ছে এক্সিবিট অফ মাই কার সেটা তো ছিলই না
কোনটা কার
30 to 33 তে 8 তারিখে দেওয়া হয়েছে দেখুন ম্যাম 23rd ডিসেম্বরে আমি সার্টিফাইড কপিটা তুলেছি 23rd ডিসেম্বরে আমি সার্টিফাইড কপিটা তুলেছি আর সেকেন্ড সার্টিফাইড কপিতে যে সার্টিফাইড কপিটা লাগানো হয়েছে 8 তারিখ দেখাচ্ছে এটা কি করে হলো 8ই নভেম্বর যদি সিরিয়াল লিস্টটা মুভ করা হয় তাহলে 23 ডিসেম্বরে সার্টিফাইড কপি ওই সিরিয়াল লিস্টগুলো নেই কেন
8th December 8th November certified copy I can see car over here
23rd ফার্স্ট সার্টিফাইড কপি অ্যাপ্লাই করি এই পাঁচটা যেটা পাই আমি যেটা একদম সাবমিট করা হয়েছে দ্যাটস কারেক্ট সেকেন্ড সার্টিফাইড কপি যেটা 30 to 33 যেটা আমি সেকেন্ড সার্টিফাইড কপি যখন অ্যাপ্লাই করি আপনি দেখবেন ওইখানে 8ই নভেম্বরের মানে সিরিয়াল লিস্ট দেখানো হয়েছে
দেখতে পাচ্ছি তো আমি
কারেক্ট তাহলে যখন আমি ফার্স্ট সার্টিফাইড কপি 23 তারিখে অ্যাপ্লাই করেছিলাম 23
তাহলে কে আপনাকে দেয়নি আপনি তাকে গিয়ে বলুন আপনি পুলিশকে বলছেন কিসের জন্য
এই সার্টিফাইড কপি চেঞ্জ হলো কি করে
চেঞ্জটা তো আমি বুঝতে পারছি না হতে পারে যে 8 তারিখে যে সিজার লিস্টটা হয়েছিল আগে যেটা তুলেছেন আর পরে তুলেছেন তার ভেতরে কোনো ডিসক্রিপেন্সি আছে সেটা তো নেই
আমি ওটাই তুমি কোড ইন্সপেক্টর তুমি অ্যাপ্লাই করেছো আটকে থেকে এই যে দুটো ভ্যারিয়েশন হচ্ছে এই ভ্যারিয়েশন হচ্ছে কারণ ইভেন্ট দে সেড এটা আপনি জিআরএ এবং আইও এর কথা বলুন ওয়াই শুড আই স্পিক টু জিআরএ and আইও
No, you don't speak to them. Please don't. Whatever you applied before the court, whatever was available on record that has been given, wasn't these papers there at that point of time?
Wherever the details is always put up.
So that is the question.
Right. I will not take a guess today. I'm not one of those who make off the cuff statements. I'm not. But I really don't know. But what can the police do when if suppose they have not handed over all the certified copies? Certified copy is not handed over by the police.
It is the department, the certified copy section who has given you that copy.
No, I'm again making a point. I'm saying
your point is not accepted.
How is it possible that I am applying for a certified copy? I get some papers. On the next day when I apply for updates, those papers are missing. That's my point, Lordship.
Your point will be answered by the person who issued the certified copy department. The police did not issue any certified copy. How will the police be held responsible for this?
What changes has been made to the Seizure list then, Lordship?
Now tell me this 41A notice, I am not satisfied. The manner in which you say that the 41A notice was sought to be served, I am not satisfied.
Very well. I can understand what your lordship says.
Yes.
Now may I address your lordship on 41?
Yes.
41A does not prohibit arrest. I wish I could assist your lordship with some judgments. But 41A, but if your lordship permits me, I can put in my humble way. 41A says that for offences which are less than 7 years, the police will not arrest except under certain conditions. There is possibly 5 or 6 such columns. Arnesh Kumar is a mere reiteration of what the CRPC says. There is nothing new in Arnesh Kumar. What it brings about is then Arnesh Kumar merely says that
we are not going into anything. Tell me how you served this notice or sought to be served. Show me something. You give his address as Nolin Sharka Street and you say that he was there in somebody else's residence and you went there to issue a notice on 41A.
May I take this instruction and come back to Lordship tomorrow? She has something to say. I don't want to waste up your. Oh, your Lordship, give me 2 minutes time.
Because there is nothing to show that it was served at his residential address. You cannot serve a notice upon a person concerned in the roadside or something. He's there, you go and serve a notice, you say he refuses, and then you arrest him after so many days.
87.
What was the requirement of arresting him after so many days? Did you ever seek to serve the notice for a second time? You didn't.
May I take that instruction, come back to you? Because I don't want to waste time.
Peruse the report filed by the SI of Police, Detective Department, signed on 9th of July 2024. Stop. Paragraph. A copy of the notice under section 41 caps A CRPC. Dated 8th of November 2023 is annexed with the report. Stop. Paragraph. There is an endorsement at the left-hand side bottom of the said notice made by the aforesaid officer who is investigating the case to the effect that the said person, Rohan Roy, refused to receive notice under section 41A CRPC and refused to sign. Stop. This refers to AJC Bose, B Garden PS, GDE number 403, dated 8th November 2023. Stop. Paragraph. There is no proof of service of the aforesaid notice upon the petitioner. Stop. Paragraph. Specific case of the petitioner is that 41A notice was not issued to him. He was arrested after 85 days of registering the complaint. Stop. Paragraph. An explanation shall be furnished by the investigating officer on the adjourned date, disclosing the mode and manner of service of the said notice upon the petitioner. The matter is made returnable tomorrow itself.
She's here. I'll talk to her just now and so I don't want to delay it all.
It's very even tomorrow. Paragraph. As regards the submission of the petitioner regarding changes made in the seizure list is not accepted by the court. Stop. The petitioner submits that he applied for a certified copy of the seizure list on 2 diverse dates and 2 different copies of the seizure list were handed over to him. Stop. Paragraph. The court fails to understand as to how the police can be made responsible for any discrepancy in the certified copy, which was issued by the certified copy department of the learned trial court. ঠিক আছে? List tomorrow. Take back whatever document you have handed over.